I want to introduce you to swimming in open water in this video. Because every outing on the water should end the same way it began. You come back with who you left with. Before anyone boards the boat, make sure you know the swimming ability of every guest. Keep a variety of properly fitted Coast Guard-approved life jackets on board. It's important to help guests adjust them if they plan to wear one while riding. Inflatable life jackets will automatically inflate if someone falls overboard, offering quick protection in an emergency. The driver should always clip the engine shut-off cord to their vest so the boat stops immediately if they fall off the boat. Make sure you are securely fitting the life jacket on everyone before they get in the boat and before entering the water. Follow the Coast Guard guidelines. Children younger than 13 years old need a life jacket on the boat at all times. If someone can't swim, they should also have a life jacket on while on the boat. It is recommended to add whistles on the life jackets, but remind the kiddos they are only for emergencies. Before you leave the dock, choose a co-pilot. Show them the basic operating instructions and how to assist in an emergency. Make sure they know how to use the BoatUS app. It can show your location, longitude and latitude, check weather conditions, or call for a tow if needed. Download the app BoatUS for free. You can monitor the weather. Always check it before you go out for the day. The app has a feature that will show your longitude and latitude if needed for an emergency. Make sure your co-pilot has the app or can access your phone. If you are a boat owner, it is recommended getting a paid membership for towing in emergencies. Include BoatUS's local phone number in your contacts. Don't wait until you have an emergency to know where the life ring or throwable flotation devices are. They should be tied to the boat to pull someone back safely. Flotation device is required for boats over 16 feet but is rarely used properly. It's a good idea to have a few life jackets out to grab quickly. Stop the boat and set the anchor before anyone gets off the boat. Choose a safe, quiet area away from the main channel and boat traffic. Set your anchor by lowering it slowly, never toss it. Keep your hands and feet clear of the rope so you don't get tangled in the line. When the wind is strong or the water has a lot of activity, it's recommended to use 2 anchors, one at the bow and one at the stern to keep the boat steady and prevent drifting. It's crucial in open water to never dive or jump off a boat. This can be very dangerous. Lakes, rivers, and open waters are always changing. Storms and rain can shift debris or obstacles right under the surface. So to keep yourself safe, always ease into the water carefully rather than taking the plunge. Remember as you are anchored to avoid the rope lines so you don't want anyone getting tangled in the ropes. Next, let's talk about getting off the boat safely. Always lower the ladder first and climb down carefully, backing into the water at your own pace. And remember, no pushing, no shoving, everyone takes it slow and steady. Scan the QR code to access helpful information about the All-A boarding ladder. You'll find setup instructions, safety tips, and guidance to ensure safe and easy use whenever you're getting in or out of the water. Before anyone gets in the water, make sure all floats and water toys are securely tied to the boat. This keeps everyone close and prevents anyone from drifting away. Staying connected keeps the whole group safer. Always stay with a buddy in the water. You don't always know someone's physical condition, and even strong swimmers can get exhausted by currents. You also can't be sure if friends or family on the boat have been drinking or using anything that slows their reaction time. Stick together and watch out for each other. Designate a signal, like a whistle or an arm wave for emergencies. Let's recap. When swimming in open water: 1. Find a safe spot. Stop the boat. 2. Fit PDF's personal flotation devices or life jackets. 3. Don't jump when getting off the boat. 4. Lower the ladder safely. 5. Tie floats to the boat. 6. Use the buddy system, ensuring everyone has life jackets on. Happy boating! Please share this video with anyone you know that are boaters. Go over all the rules of being in open water with your guests from this video. Come back with who you left with. Enjoy and have safety with every splash. I hope you found this video helpful. Let's spread the word and learn water safety together. Please donate to the nonprofits who help spread the word on water safety to prevent drownings. Karen is available for speaking engagements at no cost. She just asks you donate to our supporting causes.